small chamber, right? So this is the left ventricle. This is the right ventricle. So it'd be like this facing me. These strings would be the chordae tendineae, and so wherever it's attached to would be the bicuspid valve. Okay. So over here, again, chordae tendineae, and so this is the tricuspid valve.
Like you still don't remember.
So this is the landmark that separates the ventricles from the atrium. So this area right here is the left atrium. And the top of it got cut off. So on the outside it would look all brownish. So you might want to get another one a little bit later on, just to compare, because I'm not going to give this one on the test. But the right atrium would be this area right here.
Really?
So left ventricle, big, thick
Can we orient ourselves in this?
vessel, and so this is the aorta, right? And which means the aortic valve should be here, and again, most of it got stripped away, so, but this is the leftover. So I'm actually going to throw this part away after I'm done with it, because a lot of this stuff is gone. Now the auricle or the atrium was not very visible here, but it is over here. It's this darker fleshy color. So that's going to be the right atrium. And so if we look at the top of that, so this again is the chordae tendineae. It separates. So this is going to be the tricuspid, and so above it, if I poke up there,
Did you look up sheets on there?
you can see it. Okay, so that's definitely the right atrium. Okay.
We're on like an actual diagram, yeah?
Okay. Now
Like an actual
you cannot see the. Maybe it's this guy. So this is where you stick it in. A little hard to tell you. It looks like the vein, the pulmonary vein, because it leads to the right atrium. I'm sorry, the vena cava,
Yeah?
because it leads to the right atrium. I was looking for the other artery, but I think it's on the other side. So it looks like this guy here, which would go over
So
here,
it's this one, right?
would be the pulmonary, but you don't have it.
No.
Sure.
Yeah.
Lastly,
So what is this hole? So this is the ventricle.
so at least you can see this.
So this is the right. No.
So this was the atria,
I
the
think
left
this is the right
atrium.
ventricle.
Now it's like the same side as me.
It's this.
So there's a little hole here, but it's almost gone because it almost got cut away.
Yeah, that's the right.
But this is leading into the left atria, so this would be the pulmonary artery.
Because the bigger one is the left.
So pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein leading into the left ventricle. So pulmonary vein,
Yeah, so the atrium should be.
Where's the right
Oh, I
atrium?
thought this was.
vena cava,
I thought like right over here is the.
aorta, and you don't have a pulmonary artery.
Atrium is like an
Left ventricle, right ventricle, left
What does
atria,
that say? Right under left atrium.
right atrium.
bicuspid valve.
Chordae tendineae, chordae tendineae,
Is that
bicuspid, tricuspid.
Where's the bicuspid?
All right.
around here?